everyone. Welcome to Success Mantra. I am Siddhi and today we have Agastya Sharma with us. So he has scored 222 marks in DU LLB CUET PG 2025 examination. So first of all, we would like to present our heartiest congratulations to Agastya and his entire family for this success.
Thank you.
So, today we are here to have an interaction with Agastya. Just let us know how he prepared for his entire examination, to let our audience know that how his journey was. Was it difficult or was it really smooth for him? How was his experience in scoring this 222 score for his CUET PG Law examination? So, let's start with him. Let's have our curious questions to be answered by him. So, first of all, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Hello everyone, my name is Agastya Sharma. I am from Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Khalsa College, Delhi University. I am pursuing English Honours and I just gave my final year exams and I gave the CUET PG this year only.
So how are you feeling? You have scored really well. What is your feeling right now?
I'm feeling really nice and I hope I will get the best college with this score and that's it.
So eventually you are right now doing English Honours. How came you had this LLB dream in you, or how did you plan for LLB, like with English Honours generally? It's an odd combination.
Ma'am, I was thinking of doing a professional course and not going into the English line because I will have to prepare more and given more years for English only and do my MA then PhD in order to do teaching. And I was not interested in teaching or any other thing which is related to English. I pursued English Honours because I had an interest, but I came to, I researched and came to know about law and it piqued my interest, so I thought about doing law.
Great, that's really great, Agastya. So again, I would just like you to tell our audiences, because many aspirants are watching you right now. They are so eager to know that how did you score so well? Like, what was your strategy? How did you study? And what was your decided path which led you to score this good marks?
So I personally wanted the best college for myself because it will help me in my future and it will create a path for my future where I will be successful most probably. So I decided to research about the coaching centers firstly around August in 2024, and I came to know about Success Mantra and it was near my home, so I approached them. I visited the center. I talked about all the examinations which I have to give in order to do my law, and then I continued to talk to them and I started my coaching classes in September 2024 and I chose the online mode to study, and it was a really different kind of experience because it was my first time preparing online for an exam, for a competitive exam like this, and it was really a different kind of journey and it helped me a lot. I scored and I studied daily. I had my online classes daily. Earlier we had a holiday on Sunday, but later that was also cancelled because we had to study, and daily minimum 2 hours of this online coaching and the homework they gave, and they gave the study material like the books and mocks every week. So I gave them, I did them and I did all the questions and I asked my doubts regularly. They gave me link for the Telegram doubt groups for each and every domain, where be it maths, logical reasoning, English, computer, everyone, and they replied the same. They replied on the same day, and my doubts were cleared. And even when I asked for one-on-one sessions with teachers, like my maths was a little weak, so I asked for it and I got it, and the faculty cleared my doubt in each and every domain of the CUET exam. And I did a little more study on my own part, where I felt, like I earlier mentioned, I felt weak attempting maths, so I did the extra questions from the books, from the mocks, asked those questions and studied daily for around 3-4 hours apart from the coaching, and that's all that I did.
So, like as you told that your maths was really weak, you were a little scared about your maths preparation. So, how did you cope it up?
So I chose humanities in 12th itself because my maths was weak and I didn't do commerce without maths or anything. I just chose humanities and went straight with it. And then I again encountered when I gave the CUET UG exam, but even then I didn't do maths enough because my normal domains were enough to attempt the CUET UG exam. But in CUET PG it was a general test, so I had to practice maths regularly in order to cope up with the normal, what I think normal people would score,
Exactly,
because
right.
I was on a weaker part in that section. So I did all the classes. I even if I missed the class, even when I had to be somewhere else to attempt when I had to be somewhere else, I still saw all the recordings. I never missed any class, and all my syllabus was complete till the end. And I did regular practice. I joined. They even allowed me to join other batches in order to cope up with my maths. And yeah, the teachers helped me a lot. I studied from Vivek sir from Success Mantra itself, and he cleared all my doubts and solved all my problems. I mailed him regularly. I messaged him on Telegram, and yeah, ma'am, that's it.
So, any piece of message if you would like to give to our audience that how they should be preparing? As you just told that you never missed any classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So eventually, it's very clear that consistency is key to success.
Yes, ma'am.
But still, a message, a piece of message from your end, which you would like to deliver to.
Yes, ma'am. So basically, you guys have to attempt the paper. You will only do it, not the teachers, not your parents. And you guys have to attempt the main exam. And if you don't study, if you don't attend the regular classes, it is your loss only and not anyone else's loss, but your own loss. I know studying is hard. Even I am a student and I don't even like to study, but we still have to do some things in our life even if we don't like them. So yeah, I kind of gained interest by thinking that even if I don't crack the exam, I have still gained some knowledge about the world around me, about the things where I lack, like in maths, like logical reasoning, like current affairs and general knowledge. I gained knowledge, and I thought that even if I don't do it, I may attempt another year, but if I do attempt and clear this year, I will gain another year for my life where I can do much more than just studying again for the same exam. So consistency is the key, as ma'am mentioned, and even it is possible to leave the classes because it happens. Even I missed many classes. I was absent many a times, but with the recordings that they gave me, I completed them. And if I had any doubt, I asked them in the next class that you had mentioned in the previous class, ma'am or sir.
Exactly.
And you can you please explain it again? And they were happy to help. That's it.
Right. So as you heard all it from Agastya, as he prepared, we would like all of you to be encouraged with him and prepare the same way he has prepared and score really well. We wish Agastya again a great congratulations from our end and all the very best for your entire future ahead.